Hello everyone. Today let us see about a short story, His First Flight. In this story, it gives us an account of a young seagull who is afraid to fly. In this story, the young seagull completes its first flight in triumph by overcoming all his fears with the help of his mother. Come on, let's see what happens in this story by William O'Flaherty. During a hot day, the young seagull stood alone on the ledge. A day ago, he watched his brother and sister take their first flight, though their wings were shorter than his. They completed their first flight in triumph. His mother and father called him shrilly and threatened to let him starve if he didn't jump. But he was afraid to jump. It was such a long way down, and he was sure that his wings would not support him. So now he was alone on the ledge under the blazing sun. He had not eaten anything since morning. All morning he saw his brother and sister playing and enjoying in water. His brother came near him with a piece of fish and teased him. It was very hot and the seagull was very hungry. He walked to the end of the cliff and pretended to be asleep, hoping his family would notice him. But all were playing and enjoying in water. Now his mother noticed him and came near him with a piece of fish, but as she came, she took a sharp turn and flew away. Seeing this, the young seagull started to cry. He wanted a piece of fish, but his mother dismissed his cry. He cried and begged again and again. Then he screamed with happiness when he saw his mother coming again with a piece of fish. He ran near his mother, but she stopped at the end of the ledge. The piece of fish was just within his reach. He jumped and fell by missing his balance, but it only lasted for a minute. Then his wings spread, he felt the tips cutting in air. He wasn't falling but soaring in the wind. Forgetting that he was afraid to fly, the young seagull started to fly by flapping his wings and by moving upwards and downwards. Now he was close to the sea. His family were already waiting in the water and seeing him to land. Then the young seagull did so and his leg sank in the water. He screamed a lot. Then his belly touched the water and he started to flow in water. His family now praised him and all enjoyed by playing in water. Thus, the young seagull, with the help of his family, overcame his fear and accomplished his first flight. With this story, the poet reveals us the wonderful message, which is the only thing we have to fear is the fear itself. Once we are able to overcome our fear, it transports us to the world of confidence, joy, and satisfaction. This story also teaches us the lesson of bravery, courage, and self confidence. One need to be confident of his or her ability and shouldn't be scared of making our first attempt due to the fear of failure. Hope you would have enjoyed this short and sweet story. Thank you.